If you want to share or sell your Notion templates, I'm going to show you how to set that up. So I'm going to show you over here an example. This is my meals and groceries template for Notion. I currently have it for free, but it works the same way. So I'm going to go over to a template over here. This is just my Notion template that holds all of my free Notion dividers, but it works the same for any Notion template. So you'll go up to Share, Publish to web. Now, once you do that, just grab this link. So anybody that you share this link with can get your Notion template, but I'll show you how you can easily get it to your customers. And I'm going to show you with Canva. I make mine. I will just pull mine over here as an example. I actually make mine using Affinity Designer or Affinity Publisher, but it works the same way. So here's the PDF you get with mine when you download my free templates. And this button right here, if you click on it, it'll take you right to the template. So here is the template, and then you would just start with this template or duplicate. But I'm gonna show you how you can do it with Canva, because Canva is free. And I think maybe more people use Canva. I'll do another video how to do it with Affinity Publisher, and I'll link that once I do it. But for now, I'm just going to show you on Canva. So I just have a letter size up here. I just grabbed one of the templates. You can do it however you want. Design it however you want. So I'm just going to show you. I'm going to the text button here. And then I like to add a background just so that it looks like a button. And I'll just grab this blue. I'm not going to spend a bunch of time designing it because you can design it however you want for your brand, but I'll just show you really quick so you can go ahead and run with it. So here is this, and then you can just write something like download or download template, and then once you do that, you can right click it and then link. And this is where we would put that link that we grabbed from the Notion share button. And then anybody who gets this PDF, so I'll show you how to download the PDF. Anyone who gets this PDF can click this button. So I'll do share, download, and PDF. Okay. So here is an example. Of course, this will be designed. You can put multiple links too. You can link to your website, to your Gumroad, your Etsy, whatever you're going to use. So if they click this, then they will get whatever it is you shared. I have this one in dark mode. But that way, if you're giving it away for free, if you're selling it, whoever gets that PDF can click on that link. And it's up to you how you want to get this to your customers. So I currently have mine for free on my WordPress website. You could do the same thing, and you can sell it. I could put a price on these if I want. I just currently have it set to where they just enter $0. Feel free to grab any of my templates if you want. Right now they are all $0. You can go on Etsy and you can sell it as a digital product. You would just upload that PDF. When you upload the PDF, that gives the customer a way to get that template. You can sell it. I know a lot of people sell on Gumroad, Patreon, and Ko-fi. And if you have any other ways that you know of, go ahead and comment down below. If you have any questions about these templates or how to make them, let me know. And I will post a video on how I do all of this using Affinity Designer and Publisher for those of you who use that instead of Canva. And if you have any other questions, just let me know. Thanks.